Oh man, look at the falls. Under normal weather, this place would be like packed. People. Look. Well, this is Niagara Falls under COVID-19. You gotta maintain social distancing. There's far less people. And that's where you normally do your zip line. Obviously that's dead. Okay, so we're just continuing our walk, walking somewhat away from the falls. You'll see how there are still people, but I guess members of the same family, and clearly you can see they are practicing social distancing. So, and if you live close by, why not come for a walk, right? It's not like the place is not shut down or anything, so I guess ideal for walks, as long as you're safe, you're not touching anything. You know, look, beautiful, beautiful. So peaceful, guys. You know, if you love walking, this is the time. And the weather is not that bad. It's a bit windy. I think we're about +6 here, so a little cold, but you know, not too bad. I wish the weather was somewhat better than this, but it's an absolute. And look at that. If I can fly my drone, I would love. So again, I'm just continuing towards, well, sorry, continuing away, walking away from the falls, getting closer to where the zip lining happens normally. And I'm gonna try to post a video. Actually, no, sorry, I have a video. I think it was shot in September of last year. You can see how this place is packed. So if you want to compare with, I mean, other videos on YouTube too, so there's plenty of footages around if you want to look at it. Well, same family taking pictures. Hey, why not? Normally you won't even get a chance to be alone like this. So if I could, I should be taking pictures. I'm gonna make a video. Alright, I don't get to do this TikTok thing that often, but maybe right now it's probably the best time. Oh no, wait, how do I do this? I actually want to delete, yeah, confirm. So let's do a 60-second video. Niagara Falls. Look how dead this place is. Am I recording or no? Okay, what did I do? Confirm. Okay, let's redo this together. Alright guys, look at the falls. Pretty dead. There's barely anyone here, so dead. You know, hey, I'm keeping myself safe, social distancing, so don't think I'm crazy to be here. So I'm being safe, so stop it. Okay, so let's post this one. Hashtag Niagara Falls. Hashtag COVID-19. Happening now. Falls. Coping under